Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get double XP on Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the Duolingo application, then click at create your account if you don't have an account. Of course, just follow the steps of creation your accounts, but if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see here, wait, I'm just like at something. Let's just finish this real quick and I'm coming back. So sorry, this was from a previous tutorial. So that will actually be your home or your main screen, and of course that could change from the language that you are learning, from your progress, and etc. So as you can see, if I change the language from here, of course the main screen will change. So let's just go back to the original. So if you want to actually not change language, get double XP on Duolingo, all you need to do, just use an XP boost. So XP boost double the amount of XP you can earn in a lesson. So if you usually earn 10 XP after a lesson, you will your XP boost will double it to 20 XP. So of course people ask as well, so what is the fastest way to get XP on Duolingo? Of course, individual lessons get you 10 XP plus possible bonus XP if you get like a streaks without doing mistakes. A skill practice when you reach all 5 levels in a skill practice, which is accessible via the barbell icon icon via desktop, maybe if you're using it from desktop web, or hearts tab at the Android application. So of course it could be skill test out when you tap at the key icon to level up in a skill. And of course you have the option, if you let's just go here and click at our profile, of course you can start claiming achievements. So if you like, as you can see, claim an achievement, that will actually give you more XP. And of course, if you go and click at the gems right here, so as you can see, you can of course try this 2 weeks for free, and if you like it you can even buy it. So if you click on that, as you can see, you'll get unlimited hearts, practice your mistakes, improve your knowledge, and no ads. Of course you're gonna tell me, okay, how will that give me double XP or a lot of XP? So of course, when you make mistakes on this application, you get less hearts. That means if you lose a lot of hearts, you'll not be able to learn anymore, and you'll not be able to get more XP. But if you get unlimited hearts, make how much mistakes you want and earn how much XP you want, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.